ለዋ የደበቀችው የፖለቲካ ነገር አለ እንጂ የቦይፍሬንድ ጉዳይ አይደለም። እና እናንተ እናት ስለሆነች ብቻ ትክክል ናት ትላላችሁ። ግን አንድ ሰው እናት ሆነ አባት ሆነ ማንም ሆነ ትክክል ካልሆነ ትክክል አይደለህም ነው መባል ያለበት። እናት ስለሆነች ብቻ በደፈናው ትክክል ናት ማለት የለባችሁም። ፌር
no, like also I want for everyone to like understand that I'm 20, like any like lig idol, and like I'm of course like then that's okay, it's always your child, but guys, I am a net, I am Federange, oh my gosh, I am like Asra Simmons Bola, like Lijoch, like Sera Ali, like you know, like they have their own lives. That's the thing. Like even my mom, she left like Asra Sabat. She left earlier than me.
She left her family when she was 17.
Not left like not in a bad way, but I'm saying she started her own life when like Asra Sabat Bola. Any hiring, like I respect my mom truly, but I feel like that's the thing about me. I know like Hulum Habesha Sowich, like at the end of the day, like parents are parents and nobody wants to like tell them, oh, this is what I want to do. But me, I'm not afraid of like telling my mom that I want to have my own life. I'm not afraid of doing that. So I'm just saying, like, it's not that serious. Like relationship wise, it's not that serious. Okay, I have a boyfriend. Every person, like what person doesn't go out and find love themselves? What person? You know? Everyone has the right. If I was a child, I would understand.
Everyone has the right to choose whatever he wants.
Yes, if any like listening, I would understand. Okay, my mom, she's protecting me, this, but I feel like I have to learn myself. Like even if it's the wrong thing, even if this guy is gonna leave me in 2 years, why can't I find that out myself? Why do I have to have people tell me not to learn my mistakes? You know?
Yeah, I understand.
Well,
ሚቴል ደም ያልሽውን መጀመሪያ ልታርጉምላቸው። እንትን እኔ 20 ዓመቴ ነው፣ ትልቅ ነኝ፣ እኔ ፈረንጅ ነኝ። እኛ እዚህ አሜሪካ እኔ የምኖርበት ሀገር 18 ዓመት ከሞላው በኋላ አንድ ሰው ከቤት ወጥቶ ይሰራል፣ የፈለገውን ህይወት ይኖራል። እናቴ እንኳን በ17 ዓመቷ ነው ከቤተሰቦቿ ጋር በጥሩ ሁኔታ በመጥፎ ተጣልታ ምናምን ሳይሆን በጥሩ ሁኔታ የወጣችው። እና እኔ ትልቅ እኮ ነኝ። እኔ እኮ 21 ዓመት ሊሆነኝ ነው አሁን። እና ለምን የራሴን ህይወት የመኖር መብት አይኖረኝም? ለምን እንደማንኛውም ሰው የፈለኩትን መርጬ መኖር አልችልም? ስህተትም ከሆነ ለምን አልሞክርም? ሞክሬ ተሳስቼ ከስህተቴ ለምን አልማርም? ለምን እንድሳሳት አይፈቀድልኝም? ኖ በያታቡ እንዴ ለምን ይሄማ ባገነንነት ነው? እንዴት ነው ናታለው?
No, but anyways, the main point of it is like everyone is just saying my mom is protecting me, but I feel like from the beginning, like I just wanted peace between both of them. Like that's all I want. From now on, like I want my mom and Alex to be in peace. That's all I want. Whether it's politics, whether it's like I'm still young and things like that, why can't they talk to each other like in private? My mom came to social media first. That's I don't care what anybody says. Everyone says that, oh, I put my mom on live. Guys, my mom told me to go live and I was put in a situation where everyone just saw it and now everyone's fighting with each other. My mom came to social media first. That's that.
Did you know that, guys? Her mom, she came first. እናቴ ናት መጀመሪያ ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ መጥታ ጉዳዩን የተናገረችው። እኔ አይደለሁም። አብዛኞቻችሁ እየፈረዳችሁብኝ ነው። እናትሽን ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ አመጣሽ እያላችሁኝ ነው። እኔ ግን አይደለሁም ያመጣኋት። እናቴ ናት ቀድማ የመጣችው።
Guys, Eswa Masrat, like honest fake account, just Sidib Alex Betaseb. It's my mom. Like, I understand from my mom's side, I understand she's trying to protect me, but she reported him to the embassy, and she made, like, so much accounts. sent people to bully me on the internet. She did all of these things. And that's why now I'm on live explaining myself. So yeah, that's that. So
ሌሎችን የምትመክሪውን ለምን እሷን አትመክሪያትም? ኦኬ ሌሎችን መመክራቸው ከማያከብራችሁ ከማይወዳችሁ ከናንተ ገንዘብ ከሚፈልግ ወንድ ጋር አትሁኑ ነው ምለው። ስለዚህ እሷን ልጠይቃት ያከብርሻል ገንዘብ ትሰጪዋለሽ ወይ ብዬ ልጠይቃት እንደዛ ከሆነ አይሆንሽም ብዬ ነግራታለሁ። ገንዘብ
show us evidence. Guys, I have a cross around my neck. When I tell you guys...
Did you ever give money to Alex? Did you ever give money to Alex? You sent him money?
Well, one time I gifted him, but that was like my decision. But he doesn't have any control of my money. He does not have any control of anything. Like I do all my stuff myself. So, yeah. But...
ገንዘብ ሰጥቼው አላውቅም ጊፍት ሰጥቼው አውቃለሁ እንጂ ገንዘቤን እኔ ነኝ የሚይዘው እሱ ስለኔ ገንዘብ አይመለከተው
yeah but anyways I just want my mom whatever people don't believe me they don't that's not my problem but like now I just want peace between both of them and I know like she's posting things and things like that I just want her to be in peace with him that's all I want I'm not asking for anything more that's all
መፈልገው እናቴና አሌክስ ሰላም እንዲሆኑ እንዲታረቁልኝ ብቻ ነው መፈልገው እኔ ሌላ ምንም አልፈልግም እና ይሄንን ተባበሩኝ የኢትዮጵያ ህዝቦች አሌክስንና እናቴን አስታርቁልኝ ይሄንን ነው መፈልገው ነው እያለች ያለችው all I want is Alex and my mom to be peace right that's
all that's all that's literally all I want I don't know everyone's fighting I don't like it's too stressful seriously
ያ እሷ በጣም ስትረስፉል ሆኛለሁ እኔ በጣም እየተጨነኩ ነው በመሃል ቤት እሷ በጣም እየተጨነቀች ነው እናቷና ፍቅረኛዋ ሰላም ስላልሆኑ እሷ ሰላም አይደለችም ኦኬ ሌላው ደግሞ በደፈናው ልጅ ስለሆነች ብቻ የምትፈርዱባትን ነገር ጥሩ አይደለም መፍረድ በአጠቃላይ ጥሩ አይደለም አትፍረዱባት ማናችንም በሷ እድሜ ያልፈናል ፋየር ኤጅ ነው ያለችው እድሜዋ ነው ፍቅረኛ አላት ሶ ቤተሰብ ነው አለ it's okay ኖርማል ነው ይሄ በሁላችንም ዘንድ የምናልፈው ነገር ነው ያልፋል ይሄም ጊዜ ያልፋል ኦኬ ሶ እቺ ልጅ ነገር የሆነ ነገር ብትሆን በስትረስ ጭንቅላቷ ቢታመም የሆነ ነገር ብትሆን እኛው ነን የምናዝነው ዜጋችን ኢትዮጵያዊ እህታችን ናት ልናዝንላት ይገባል ሶ አሁን ማድረግ ያለብን አንድና አንድ እናትና ልጅን ማስታረቅ አሌክስና እናትን ማስታረቅ Only that you want?
Yeah, I mean, like, what else is there to say? Like,
anything else
literally, yeah, nothing else. Like, I don't know. I feel like there's so much lies. Like, see, again, if I try to see something, everyone's gonna say, no, still, she's your mom. This, like, no matter even if my mom did wrong things.
One second, what you said, Maraja, እናቷ አርጋለች ሚሉትን ምንድነው እናቷ አርጋለች ምንም እናቴ ምንም አርጋለች ያለችው ነገር የለም እናቴ ናት ቀድማ ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ ለመጣችሁ ለዛ ነው መረጃ መጠይቃት ለዛ እናትየው ስትመጣ እኔ አይደለሁም ቀድሜ ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ የመጣሁትኝ ዴዚ ናት ቀድማ ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ ወጣችሁ ካለች at that time እኔ ዴዚ I need proof ላታለሁኝ ኦኬ ሶ ይታረቃሉ ሰይጣን ያፍራል እነሱ እናትና ልጅ ይታረቁና ሰይጣን ያፍራል ይታረቃሉ ሁላቸውም ይታረቃሉ ይስማማሉ
Yeah, and also, Habiba, also, like, people kept saying, like, oh, I called the police on my mom, things like that. Guys, she stole my passport. So as an American, like, Asra Simmons Bwala, like, you cannot have your children's, you cannot control them. That's it. Like, there's Hulet mindset, Habesha mindset, get any Gemashnechning. I'm not scared to tell my mom that she's in the wrong. That's the difference with me. I'm not scared. So, the only reason I wanted to get the police
involved... She's the one that raised you like this to be strong. That's good. That's why I'm scared to tell your mom she's wrong. It's okay.
Exactly.
Even our moms, they make mistake. They are human.
Yeah, exactly.
They can make mistake. Mom is not God. She's not perfect. She can make mistake, no problem. When my mom, she make mistake, I can tell her, mommy, this is wrong.
Yes. Yeah.
She cannot be perfect only because she's a mother.
exactly.
And the other thing, አጠረኝ ቃሉ ጠፋብኝ። ቆይ when I remember I will tell you.
Yeah, but yeah.
የምፈልገው ነገር ነበር ጠፋብኝ። Okay, እና the other, yes, don't listen anybody when they told you call police to your mother. That is very bad. Don't listen to them.
Yeah, no. And also I see comments saying that like I'm in her house. Guys, I left her house. I left her household. I am starting my own life here. She followed me to this state. She came back this time to steal my passport. She is the one following me. I'm not in her care anymore, guys. I'm not. So me trying to start my own life, she's the one trying to follow me. It's not me. It's not me at all. So stop saying that, people.
Don't listen negative people, okay? You and your mom gonna be okay. You will be fine. And Alex and your mom also, they will be peace. Don't worry. Don't listen negative people.
I mean, how when
please የሆነ እንግሊዘኛ የሚናገር ሰው ከኋላ ይቀራሉ። አሁን የሚያወሩ የሚያቦኩ ባንቺና በእናትሽ መሃል ገብተው የሚያቦኩ የሚያባሉ ሁሉ እናንተ ታርቃችሁ እነሱ መሃል ይቀራሉ የሚለው በእንግሊዘኛ ምንድነው? ያውሩ እነሱ። አይኔ እኔ እኮ ቤተሰቦቼ ይዛኔ ተማሪ ተይ ሲሉኝ ክፋት መስሎኝ ባለ መማሪ እኮ ነው።
አቡዬ ይቅርታ፣ ከሷ ወገን ወይ ካንቺ ወገን ለምን እንዳታስገቢ? ወይ ከእናቷ ወገን
እንግሊዝኛ 100% ገብቶኛል። የኔን በእንግሊዝኛ ስሜት የሚነግርልኝ አንድ ሰው ፈልጋለሁ።
ከእናቷ ወገን እኔ የእናቷ ወገን ነኝ። እኔ ላስተርጉም የሚል ይግባ። በቃ የእናቷ ወገን።
እሺ ምንድነው ወገን? ማንም ሰው ምንድነው ወገን? ምንድነው አልገባኝም። ወገን ብሄር ምናምን ልትሉ እንዳይሆን ወገን ምናምን ልትሉት
ሳይሆን እናቷ የሚደግፉ ምናምን አሉ አይደለም? የእሷ ይግቡና ያስተርጉሙ።
ማንም ሰው ይምጣና ይተርጉም። ልጄማ ተኝቷል እንጂ ተረጉምልኝ ነበር። ነገ ጠዋት ትምህርት ስላለው ተኝቷል። በዚህ እኮ ሰዓት ሄዷል። አሁን 9 ሰዓት ተኩል እኮ ነው ጋይስ። ፍሬንድ ብዬ አይደለም ከቤት የወጣሁት። ደግሞ መብትም አላት። ማንምም ከእናቷ ውጪ ለምን ትወጫለሽ ብሎ የመጠየቅ መብት የለውም። መብት አላት። 20 ዓመቷ ነው። ከቤት ወጣ ተከራይታ እየሰራች የመኖር መብት አላት። አንድ ሰው አሜሪካ ነገር 18 ዓመት ከሞላው በኋላ ከቤት ወጥቶ የመስራት መብት አለው። እቺ ልጅ የወጣሁት ለቦይ ፍሬንድ ብዬ አይደለም፣ ራሴ ፈልጌ ነው፣ ራሴን መቻል ፈልጌ ነው የወጣሁትኝ አለች። እና ቀድማም ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ የመጣችው እናቴ ናት፣ እኔ አይደለሁም። ቀድማ ሶሻል ሚዲያ ወጥታ የተናገረችው እናቴ ናት። ስለዚህ በቃ ይሄን ያለው ነገር ሌላ ምንም ስለ እናቷ የተናገረችው መጥፎ ነገር የለም። እናቴ እንዲያረገችኝ አላለችም። ጀስት 20 ዓመቴ ነው፣ ትልቅ ነኝ፣ ወጥቼ መኖር እችላለሁ። ይሄ ደግሞ መብቷ ነው፣ ዓለም ያወቀው መብቷ ነው። ሁለተኛ ልጁ አይወድሽም በያት፣ ልጁን ተይ በያት የምትሉኝ ኮመንት ላይ እኔ ፈጣሪ ነኝ ወይ? ልጁ ይወዳታል አይወዳትም እንዴት ማወቅ እችላለሁ? ይሄን ማወቅ የሚችለው እኮ አንድ አምላክ ብቻ ነው። እኛ ካልኖርን እንዴት ነው? አንድ ሰው ካልሞከረ እንዴት ነው የሚያውቀው? ቆይ እቺ ልጅ ልጁ እንደማይወዳት ንገሪያት ስትሉኝ ከምን አንጻር ልንገራት? አይወድሽም ብዬ እንዴት ልበላት? በምን አይቼ? በህልሜ አይቻለሁ። እኔ መልአክ ነኝ፣ ራእይ አይቻለሁ፣ ህልም አይቻለሁ። ስለዚህ አይወድሽም ነው ምላት? እንዴት ነው አይወድሽም ይቅርብሽ ምላት? ማንነኝ እኔ በሷ ህይወት ገብቼ ይሄ አይሆነሽም ተይ ምላት? ማንም እኮ በማንም ህይወት ማዘዝ እኮ አይችልም። ፈረንጅ ነኝ አለቻችሁ እኮ፣ ነጭ ነኝ እኔ። እኛ ሀበሻነታችን ይዞን በሰው ህይወት በጣም ጣልቃ ስለምንገባ እኮ ነው። ሁላችንም አይሆንሽም በሏት፣ ኖ በያት፣ ሀቢባ አይሆንሽም በያት።
Yeah, and also like I feel like my mom coming on social media, like she made Alex look like such a terrible person, and I have reasoning for the way I left the household, but I feel like my mom, she based like Meto percent, she said, okay, Alex, no, this idolin, guys. My mom, like when I was doing social media in Ethiopia, there would be so many times that I cried to her and I tell her like, okay, I'm mentally tired from all of these things. She ignored that and she told me, no, you know, Sarah, no, do this. So I did not leave for a guy. Alex is not a bad person. People were saying like, oh, he wants to go to America, he's using you this. First of all, I want people to stop bringing up the past. Like, okay, he's said some things on social media. I have too. Like, I've told people that I didn't like him before, stuff like that. By the way, guys, Alex does not want to come to America. He wants to stay in Switzerland. By the way, America is not the perfect country. It's not. Every country has its struggles. America, what does America have? They go to work, people work 3 jobs, people struggle here. America is not like a dream place. Actually, in my opinion, Switzerland is better than America. So I want everyone to stop telling me like, oh, Alex, he's doing this for you, he's pretending for you, this. What do you guys know about him at the end of the day? What? Nothing. You guys know nothing. You guys know at the end of the day, you guys know nothing about how I was treated in my household. You know nothing about how my mom is. Yes, and that's again. Like Habiba said, we should judge. Only God is gonna judge. That's all. Just because someone is your mom, just because someone is your dad, just because someone's your brother, does not mean okay their mind is perfect and they know what's best for you. God knows what's best. So please stop.
ኦኬ ሀቢባ ሰምተሻት አይደል?
ያ አሁን ትንሽ ከበድ ያለ ነው። አንቺ ተርጉሚ።
ኦኬ ኮሜንት ላይ ኦልሶ ሚሲ ምን ማለት ነው ቶክሲክ ሪሌሽንሺፕ ማለት ምናምን እያሉ ነው። በጣም ብዙ ኮሜንት አለ። let me see if I can get back to toxic what did you say Daisy? Toxic and what?
Toxic household.
Okay, toxic household. Toxic household basically means like in America people like